Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics. Let us continue the chapter introductions to trigonometry. Example 4. Carefully observe the question. In a right triangle ABC is a right triangle and also given right angled at B, that is angle B is 90 degree, and also given if tan A is equal to 1, and then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. So we have to verify 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1 by using tan A is equal to 1. Let us see. This is the given right angle triangle and also tan, what is angle B is 90 degree. What is the given tan A? So I am going to write the given tan A is equal to 1. So we have to verify 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. So already you know that the ratio of tan A, what is tan A? That is ratio. First we have to mark the right, what is acute angle. Let us take angle A is acute angle, and what is that? Let us see. And sorry, yes, correct, angle A is acute angle. Then this one is opposite, this is hypotenuse, and this one is adjacent, hypotenuse and opposite. So tan A, what is the ratio of tan A is opposite by adjacent. So opposite divided by adjacent is equal to 1. See, carefully observe, tan A is opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite? That is BC. And what is adjacent? That is AB. So BC divided by AB is equal to 1. So carefully observe, the ratio of BC over AB is 1. That is BC is also 1 and AB is also 1, like that. Therefore, by using cross multiplication, BC into 1 is BC and 1 into AB is AB. So BC is equal to AB because both are equal ratio. Let us take AB is equal to BC is equal to K. K means that is any positive number. So K is any positive number. Therefore, by using the Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, and remaining two sides square, AB square plus BC square. What is AC? As it is, and square root goes to right side is square become right side, AB square plus BC square. What is AC? We have to find out AC, and what is AB is equal to K square plus square root K square plus BC is also K square. Then AC is equal to square root K square plus K square 2K square. Then this root is applying both 2 and K square. Then AC is equal to square root 2 into square root K square. Square and square root get cancelled. Then remaining AC is equal to root 2 KR K root 2. Let us take K root 2, or you can take root 2 K. So value of AC is K root 2 and value of AB is K and value of BC is also K. Let us verify what is the 2 sin A into cos A. That is, first we have to write the sin A. Sin A, the ratio of sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Already find out, already know that the value of BC is K and AC is root 2 K. Then K get cancelled. Here the 1 is, that is 1 divided by root 2. 1. Then what is cos A? Next is cos A. Cos A, the value, the ratio of cos A is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent is AB. AB and hypotenuse is AC. What is AB? AB is also K and AC is root 2 K and K get cancelled. It is 1 divided by root 2. So we have to verify what is 2 into sin A into cos A is equal to 1. So Let us put the value of sin A and cos A. 2 into sin A is 1 by root 2 into cos A is 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into root 2 into root 2 is root 4. Then root 4. The value of root 4 is 2. Then 2 1 2, it is equal to 1. So left hand side LHS is equal to RHS. So this is verified by LHS and RHS. Let us see the next question. Example 5. In triangle OPQ, see it is OPQ is a right angle triangle and also given right angle at P, and OP is equal to 7 centimeter, and also given OQ minus PQ. OQ minus PQ is 1 centimeter. See in the figure 11.12. Determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. Let us write the given. What is the given? It is QP is OP is 7 centimeter, and also OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. So we have to find out the value of sin Q and cos Q. See, this is a given right angle triangle. Let us see. By applying in triangle OPQ, so OPQ is a triangle and angle P is equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Then OQ, value of OQ, so we have to find out. See, this OQ is remaining in the side. See, here it is. OQ minus PQ goes to right side is already right side in the 1, and minus PQ goes to right side is plus PQ. So OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. 1 plus PQ by using this. So 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to OP square. What is OP? 7 centimeter. Let us write OP square as it is, and PQ square is also as it is. Let us see. 1 plus PQ square is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, like that. So A square means 1 square plus 2 into A plus value 1 and B is PQ plus B square is PQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. See, left PQ square and right PQ square and both have same sign, then get cancelled. Then 1 square is 1. 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into PQ is plus 2PQ is equal to, then right side OP square. Then 1 plus 2PQ is equal to OP is equal to 7 square, 7 centimeter. That is OP is 7 square. Then 1 plus 2PQ is equal to 7 square is 49. 7 into 7 is 49, like that. Then 2PQ is equal to 49, and plus 1 goes to right side is minus 1. Then 2PQ is equal to 48. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are. Then PQ is equal to 24. The value of PQ is 24. Then by using the already given OP is 7 and PQ is 24 by using the Pythagoras, so we have to find out OQ. See, it is OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. See, here it is OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Then OQ is equal to 1 plus, what is the value of PQ is 24. Then OQ is equal to 24 plus 1 is 25. So OQ value is also 25. So after that we have to find out sin Q and cos Q. By using the given, Q is acute angle because sin Q and cos Q. Q is acute angle, then is opposite. This one is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. So sin Q, let us see. Sin Q is equal to opposite by adjacent. And after, what is opposite is 7 centimeter, and adjacent is, what is adjacent? So in opposite by hypotenuse, this one is hypotenuse, HYP. So what is hypotenuse is 25. What is OQ is 25. And cos Q is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite is 7 and adjacent is 24. So sin Q is 7 by 25 and cos Q is 7 by 24. And after the examples, you have to do yourself exercise 11.1. This is one of the most important chapter. Let us see the next, trigonometric ratios of some angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So first one is, there already know that there are 6 ratios. Sin A according to A, and then second ratio is cos A, third ratio is tan A, and you can take the other than theta is also. So like that, if you take theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan, like that. And then secant, cosecant, COSEC, cosecant A. This one is secant A, cot A. There are 6 ratios. This table is very important to solve the problem. By using the ratios of some specific angles, we can solve the problems. So first, value of sin 0 according to sin. First, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2, and sin 60 degree, root 3 divided by 2, and sin 90 degree is 1. Very important. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. If you practice these 5 values after the cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A, so sin 0 is 0 degree, and sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Again, same value is reverse, that is cos 0 is, last digit is 1, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees as it is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is, that is 1 by 2, and this one is 0. See, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. And this one is as it is first one, and this root 3 by 2 is second, and 1 by root 2 is as it is middle, and 1 by 2 is fourth one, and 0 degree is last one. So once again, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is 1 root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. Then tan A, already you know that tan A is the ratio of sin A and cos A. Very important. Tan A is the ratio of sin A and cos A. Let us see. So first value is tan 0 is equal to sin 0 divided by cos 0. What is sin 0? 0, and cos 0 1. 0 divided by 1. 0 by anything is also 0. So tan 0 is 0. And the second one, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 divided by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. See, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. This what is root 2? This is not root 2, only 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Then here it is, what is root 3 divided by 2? Meaning 1 divided by root 3. 1 divided by root 3. And here it is 1 divided by root 2 divided by 1 divided by root 2. So get cancelled. Both are cancelled. That is 1. And here it is root 3 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Root 3 divided by 1. That is only root 3. And here it is 1 divided by 0. Here it is 0 divided by 1 is 0. That is 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Very important. It is not defined. N means not and D is defined. So let us see cosecant. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. That is 0 by 1. What is 0 by 1 is 0. So it is, here it is, 1 by 0 is not defined. This is ulta. 2 divided by 1 is 2, and root 2 divided by 1 is root 2, and 2 divided by root 3. 2 divided by root 3, and this is 1 divided by 1 is also 1. So cosecant value is reciprocal of sine. Sine na ulta. 0 by 1 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. 2 by 1 is 2. Root 2 divided by 1 is root 2. 2 divided by root 3 is 2 divided by root 3, and 1 by 1 is 1, like that. And then secant is the reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by 1 is also 1, or you can take this is the 1, 2 by root 3, like that. So 1, 2 divided by root 3, and as it is root 2, this one is 2, and this is not defined, like that. And cos A is the what is cos A? Already you know that cos A is cot A is cos A divided by sin A. So 1 divided by 0, 1 divided by 0 is not defined. 1 divided by 0 is not defined, and 2 by root 3 divided by 1 by root 2 is root 3, and 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1, and this 2 get cancelled, it is 1 by root 3, and 1 by what is that, it is 0. So very carefully observe the table, very important. This table is very important.